Hi students, today I'm going to show you an example of one of the theorems of two intersecting tangent. This theorem has to do with the exterior angle. It says that if two tangents meet at a common point, so in this case we have two tangents that meet at point E, the exterior angle is equal to half of the difference between the major arc and the minor arc, right? So that's what the theorem says. The theorem says the measure of the exterior angle E is equal to, okay, the difference between the major arc. So I'm going to highlight the major arc pink here. So you guys can reference to it quickly. And I'm going to highlight the minor arc, or the smaller one on the inside, green, okay? Now, we don't know anything about these things, right? We're supposed to find the major arc. So in algebra, whatever that you don't know, you usually give it a variable, right? So in this case, I'm just going to pick x because we like x. Now, the green one, we have to sort of give the green arc or the minor arc some kind of expression as well. I can't just type in here pink minus green, right? I can't use that in math. So I have to come up with some expression. Well, we know the whole thing is 360. And if the major arc is x, then the minus arc must be what's left over from 360. So it's 360 minus x would be my minor arc, right? So these are the things that you actually have to come up with yourself, right? That way you can solve the equation. So I'm going to substitute, all right? So major arc minus minor arc. So major arc would be my x minus the whole entire minor arc, which is 360 minus x. And all of that is divided by 2, right? So now I'm going to substitute and I'm going to do some cleaning up, right? The measure of angle E is given to us, which is 84 equal. Then I'm going to sort of simplify the top here. So I have x minus, if I multiply this negative sign through here, I get negative 360 plus x. And all of that is divided by 2, okay? To quickly solve this, you could combine the 2x. The x and the x, you get 2x minus 360. Now, if you want to get rid of this 2 right away, you can multiply to the other side, right? So move it to the other side by multiply with 84. If you do that, let's see, 84 times 2. Let me see, 84 times 2 would give me 168. 168. Because I multiply 84 with 2. Now I'm going to solve this by adding 360 to the other side. So I'm going to add 360. Make sure you have a calculator next to you because sometimes I don't even trust my math. So 360 plus that, it's 528. And then I'm going to divide it by 2. I would get 264. 264 is the value of x. And since the value of x represents the major arc, I have answered the question. So x is the answer. And I can actually put a degree on there, right? So the major arc is 264 degrees, which makes sense because that's pretty big, right? It's smaller than 360, but it's pretty large. It's 264 degrees. So it makes sense. Our answer makes sense, okay? I hope that helps. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.